So, hello students, hope you all are doing well. So let's continue our JavaScript series, and today we will gonna discuss about your events in JavaScript. Okay. So as the name is suggesting, it is event means if you are performing any kind of operations, means let's take an simple example, like if you are using your mouse and pressing any button onto it, that means some kind of event is being occurred at that particular position. Okay. So this kind of action, which is gonna simply perform by you, and those kind of action are called the event in your Java. So this is how you can perform any kind of event by the simply clicking the button of your mouse. Okay. And also if you are pressing any key of your keyboard, then those action are also a kind of events in your JavaScript. Okay. That means what I'm trying to say, that if there is any action is being performed either by its your, or either by its your system or the operating system by self, these all the actions are called the events. Okay. So this is the the basic definition of your events in JavaScript. And now let's see that how we can simply implement the concept of your events by your programming in JavaScript. Okay. So let me share my desktop screen, and then we will continue our today lecture. Okay. So here I had simply done that. This is my simple HTML boilerplate. Okay. And inside my body tag, I had create a simple button. Okay. By using your button tag, and I had click- I had created another button here. Okay. And there is a div tag that I had taken, and the ID that I had given with the name of your div here. Okay. And by using your script tag, I had simply connect your JavaScript file, that is demo.js, from your HTML page, and by using your link dot href demo.css, I had simply connect your CSS file with this HTML file. Okay. And now let's see that how we can access the event into your JavaScript code. Okay. So if I will start the live server of my this HTML page. Okay. So see, this is the simple. There are two buttons, and there is a div tag that I had taken into here. Okay. So this is my div, and I had simply write a basic the CSS for my div tag. Okay. In which I had taken some kind of width, height, color. Okay. And background color as well. Okay. So this is the basics. Uh, there are two buttons, and there is a box that I had taken from my HTML page. Okay. And if I will make a right click onto it, and go to your inspect, and click on the console. Okay. So now let's see that if I will simply go to my HTML page. Okay. Hope it is visible to all of you guys. Okay. And now what I will do, that I will simply use the property of your on click, means I just wanted to access, that means I just wanted to access that if somebody will click onto this particular button, then I have to follow some kind of operation, and I have to perform some kind of operations. Okay. So what I will do simply it means on click. Okay, I just wanted to perform the operation on click. Okay, on click. What should be the happen? Means if somebody will gonna click the button that is click me, then the operation should be performed like I have to simply print the message. Okay, console.log. Okay, I will simply print the message that is button clicked. Okay, button clicked, clicked. Okay, and if I will simply go to my browser screen, and if I will click onto it, then okay, it is not printing such kind of. See, the button is clicked here. Okay. How many time you are clicking it? It will print as much time as you are clicking onto it. So see, there is 10, 11, 12, 13. The button is clicked. Okay. And that means this is how you are simply accessing ac- accessing the clicking event on this particular button. Okay, and also there are many events that are simply defined into your JavaScript. Okay, and by using those property, you can access the all the events or the operation that are being performed onto your system. Okay, and also if I will make it like this, so this is for my button one. Okay, and see, this is my second button, and there is another event that is I just wanted to access only those event that are being clicked double time. Okay, that means if you will click the button for the two time, then your particular event should be the perform. Okay, then for those kind of operation, there is predefined event that is on dbl click. Okay, so on dbl click, okay, means on double click I have to print, uh, I have to perform the another kind of operation, means console dot log. Okay, I will simply print, let's say, double button. Okay, double 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 button here. Okay, and if I will go to my browser screen. Okay, see, if I will click onto this double click button, then single time, then it will not gonna perform any kind of operation. Okay, but if I will click onto the two time onto it, then your double button is being changed, and it is being update automatically. Okay, so this is how you can trigger the double click event as well into your JavaScript. Okay, and also so see, this something like on click your keyboard. Okay, these are the some kind of event which is being used most frequently into your JavaScript program. Okay, and also if you wanted to access more event, then simply go to your browser and type events. Okay, events mdn JavaScript. Okay, and then press enter, and go to your first website. Okay, so see, these all are the events. These all are the events that are the animation, asynchronous data fetching, Slipboard, composition, CSS transition, databases. Okay, see, DOM, focus, full screen, keyboard inputs. These all are the events that can be triggered, or that can be accessing at a runtime of your JavaScript program. Okay, so you can use all of them, but the most frequently there is a mouse event, and your keyboard event is being used most frequently. Okay, so till now we had seen that how you can simply use the mouse event that is on the double click or on the click. Okay, Okay. There is also a kind of event that can be defined into your see here we had simply taken a box, okay, box. And what if I just wanted to access those kind of event, that means if my cursor is being followed onto that particular area, then the event should be the triggered, okay. Then what I will do, I will simply do that on the mouse over, means if my mouse is being placed on that fixed particular area, then only your event should be the trigger, okay. Then what I will do, that mouse mouse over, see this is the property that is on mouse over, okay. Then I have to perform some kind of operation, okay. So console.log, I will simply print a message that is mouse come. Okay. And if I will go to my browser screen and refresh my page, then see, my mouse is being moved onto that particular area. Then my event is being automatically being triggered, okay. See 8 9 10 11 12, okay. So this is how you can also use the event that is mouse over as well, okay. And same as that is you can use all these events into your JavaScript program, simply according to your requirements, okay. And see there is a concept that is here what we are trying to do, we are trying to perform all the event into your JavaScript code, okay, sorry, into your HTML page. But what if that is you have to write a huge amount of code, or a code of the thousand line, okay. Then in that case, you can't able to write your JavaScript logic into your HTML pages, okay, because due to those kind of operations, your HTML code is become very bulky kind of, okay. So for you can for the simply preventing from those kind of issues, you can write your all these JavaScript event into your separate JavaScript pages, okay. Let's see that how you can perform the same all this operation into the separate JavaScript file, okay. So till now, just simply delete all these steps from here, okay. So on double click also, I will delete it, and let's remove it as well. Okay, so come to your demo.javascript file. Okay, so now I have to access the event of this first button, that is click me. Okay, so before that, what I will do, I will simply give a ID to this particular button. Okay, so let's give it BTN. Okay, and by using this particular ID, first of all, I will access this button, and then after I will perform the event operation onto it, okay. So for the accessing, what we'll do, let's simply define a variable, let's take btn, okay, btn. And now I will access by using document dot query selector, okay. Document dot query selector, and inside this I will simply pass the ID name, because I just wanted to access my button by using the ID, that is btn, okay. So now by using this piece of code, that is document.query selector, I'm able to access my button, okay. And now I will perform the event operation onto this btn, okay. So what I will do, that is btn dot, I just wanted to perform on click event, okay. So on click, on uh, on click, wait a second guys, that is btn on click, on click, okay. And then after I will simply use the concept of your arrow function here. Okay, I will create a function. I will create a function, and inside this I will perform the any kind of operation that I want. Okay, so I will print a simple message that is console dot log here. Okay, and I will pass a message that is button clicked, button clicked. Okay, and now let's see the what will be the output is being printed here. So if I will click onto it, then see the same kind of event is being accessed onto your console window. Okay, how many times I will click onto it, your event is being added onto it. Okay, so this is how you can access your event onto your separate JavaScript file as well. Here I had simply created the arrow function. Okay, and by using your arrow function, you can access the all the events, okay, onto your JavaScript. Okay, and same likewise, if I have to access the second button, then simply copy it and paste it here, and what I will do, I will give the ID of this second button. Okay, ID is equals to, let's take second ID. Okay, second btn, second btn. Okay, so I have to access this by using this second btn, and let's send the variable here as well, that is second btn. Okay, and now I will also change this by second btn. I will perform these somewhat different kind of operation, that is, let's take second button. Okay, second. Okay, and if I will move to my browser screen, then if I will click onto, then it is being clicked. Okay, okay, I have to perform the double click here. Okay, so on dbl click. Okay, on dbl click. Okay, and now if I'll go to see on a single click, it is not performing any kind of operation. But if I will click on a double click, then your event is being triggered here. Okay, let's double click, then your event is being triggered here automatically. Okay, so this is how you can access your on double click event as well. And if you wanted to access your on over cursor, okay, so you can access all this as well. So let's make it here control V, and I had given the simple id name, that is div here. Okay, so I will access my that particular div block by using div id name. So div, and let's take the another variable name, that is div btn. Okay, and I will also make the changes here. Okay, that is div btn. Okay, and cursor came, mouse come. Okay, and now if I'll move to that, then see the event is being automatically being triggered here. Okay, it is, see, the mouse mouse cam. Okay, I have to change the event here. Okay, so on mouse over. Okay, on over. Okay, and now if my mouse is being moved onto that particular area, then the event is being triggered. Okay, see, on mouse come, it is automatically changes. Okay, so this is how you can access the all the events onto your JavaScript separate page as well. Okay, so this is all about your events in JavaScript. So let's wrap up our today's session. See you in the next lecture. Okay, so till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Bye bye.